Hello everyone, this is Huawei HCIA version for AI full course. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this YouTube channel to others. Let us continue this HCIA version 4 AI full course. Here are the forwards of the course. Uh, Artificial intelligence is driving progress and industrial upgrade at an unprecedented speed as a fields of research in human intelligence simulation. AI has not only profoundly changed our lifestyles but has also showcased its immense value across various fields such as research, industrial protection, healthcare, financial service, and so on. This section describes the history, key technologies, applications of AI in various fields. It provides insights into the application fields and futures of AI technology based on their definition and scopes. The objective of this course, after completing this course, you will be able to understand basics of AI concept. Here are the basics of artificial intelligence, AI technologies and their history, AI applications in various technology and fields, what will be for the future AI trend, and these are the objectives of this course. And the next one is the content of the course, AI overview, and the AI basic content. Here are the contents of AI overview, AI technologies, overviews of DeepSeek and its influence on AI development, AI applications and debates and the futures of AI. We will see later these topics deeply. Now, well, it's the overviews of AI. AI in the ease of researchers, uh, what, how they see AI in the previous 15 before today. What did they say about AIs? For the first time, Alan Turing in 1950, he proposed that to consider the question, can machine think like human or what? Can machine think like human? Here's Alan Turing question. The next one is make machine behave like humans. Here's are the history of AI in the researcher view. And the next one, here's the basic of AI definition and theory. First of all, what is intelligence? What's intelligence? Professor Howard Gardner proposed that the theory of multi-intelligence and lists 8 capabilities that reflect multi-intelligence. One is verbal or linguistic intelligence. The second one is logical or mathematical intelligence, visual, spatial intelligence, or visual. That's the third one. Bodily or kinetics intelligence. Here are it's a musical or rhythmic intelligence. interpersonal or social intelligence, intrapersonal introspective intelligence. It's a naturalist intelligence. These are the eight intelligence of a human. Here are the definitions of each. Gardner and an American educator and psychologist. What is linguistic intelligence in his view or in his psychologist's understanding? It refers to the ability to it refers to the ability to express thoughts and understanding other orally and literally, to grasp a speech's semantics and grammars masterly, and to think a words express in words and appreciate the deep meanings of languages. They are competent for jobs such as political activities, presenters, lawyers, speakers, editors, writers, and journalists, and like teachers. Here's the linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence describes by this job generally. Okay, and the second one is it's logical or mathematical intelligence. It refers to the ability to calculate, measure, infer, conclude, classify, and carry out a complex mathematical operation. Here are the logical or mathematical intelligence definition. It refers to the ability to calculate, measure, infer, conclude, classify, and carry out a complex mathematical operations. These types of intelligence process sensitivity to logical means and relationships, statements, and propositions, function, and other related abstract concepts. They are competent for jobs such as scientists, accountants, statisticians, engineers, and computer software R&D personnel. These are the competent job of logical, logical intelligence. The third one is spatial intelligence. It's a vision. It refers to the ability to accurately perceive the visual space and surroundings and present the perception in the forms of graphics. These types of intelligence processes sensitivity to color. It's sensitive to colors, lines, shapes, forms, and spatial relationships with uh, visual issue. They are competent for jobs such as interior designers. He's like architect, architectures, photographers, painters, pilots. Is a pilot. Okay. Okay. These are the definitions of the third types of intelligence, that is spatial intelligence. Bodily or kinetic intelligence, it's a movement. It refers to physical movements of the body, and it's the ability to express thoughts and feelings with the body and to make or operate its thoughts and feelings with the body and to make or operate objects with hands. Yeah. It is a body movement intelligence. These types of intelligence possesses a special physical skills such as balance, coordination, agility, strength, flexibility, and speed, and its ability to triggered by the tactile sensation. They are competent for jobs such as athletes, uh, actors, dancers, surgeons like doctors, jewelers, and mechanics. Here are the competent job in kinetic intelligence. Here are the term in types of intelligence in artificial intelligence. What is AI? What's artificial intelligence? Let's say what's the direct meaning of artificial intelligence? It's a big question and a very good question. Artificial intelligence can be interpreted as artificial plus intelligence. It is artificial plus intelligence. What does it mean, artificial? Artificial means being designed or created or made by humans, not created by others, not created by computers. It is designed, created, and made by humans. It does not exist naturally, so it is man-made. And intelligence, what does it mean, intelligence? Intelligence means thinking and behaving like human. It's a mimicking of human thinking. This is the meaning of intelligence. So, the general meanings of artificial intelligence is a new technical science that deals with research and developments of theories, methods, techniques, and application system for simulating and extending human intelligence. How gets I tell this? Extending human intelligence. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was first coined by John M. McCarthy, who defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligence machine. This science says as the science and engineering of making intelligence machine. The purpose of AI is to make machines intelligent and give human thoughts. It's the purpose of AI. AI has become an interdisciplinary subject that overlaps with various fields. For example, AI overlap with psychology, logic, philosophy, linguistics, and so on. A lot of relation or overlaps with various fields. Machine learning can be understood from multiple aspects. Tom Michael, known as the godfather of global machine learning, he defined as machine learning as for a task T, and a performance metric P. If the performance of a computer program measured by P on T or task, self-improvement with experience E. We will see later this definition deeply. Then the computer program is learning from the experience. These definitions are simple and abstract. However, we deepen our understanding of machine learning. Um, we will find that the connotation and extensions of machine learning are changing over time because a variety of field and application are involved in machine learning developed rapidly. So it is not easy to define machine learning simply and clearly. We will see everything deeply. What's the relationship of what's the relationship the real relationship between what AI, machine learning, and deep learning. What's the relationship between them? AI is the deep. It's the general term of that generalize all machine learnings and deep learnings inside that exist in AIs. And machine learnings are inside the it's one field of AI or one steady area of AI, and deep learning is one a steady area of uh, machine learning. So, what does it mean? It's area of research. It's a broad. It's a lot of research is done in AI. That's the general term. Ways to implement. This is ways to implement, and it's area of research. It's a kind of current mainstream, and it's inside deep learning. It's not included in this module, but generative AI is the current mainstreams of AI. And the timeline of AI was come from, as I titled before. It starts from 1950 to 1980. Or machine learning come or emerged in 1980. Here are the timeline also of AI. So I said earlier, AI is a new technical science that studies and develops theories, methods, techniques, and application system to simulate and extend human intelligence. Machine learning is the study of how computers simulate or replicate human learning process to acquire new knowledge or skills and structure existing knowledge for continuous performance improvement. It's here is a definition of machine learning. What is machine learning? It looks like this definition. Deep learning is a concept that originates from a research of artificial neural network. Here is basic, the basics of deep learning, artificial neural network. It is an ongoing field of machine learning research that mimics human brain mechanism to interpret data. Here is the meanings of artificial neural network or its definitions of machine learning. It mimics the human brain mechanism to interpret data. Here are the relationship between machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Major schools of AI have three major schools of thought. Major schools of AI. One is symbolism. That is a major schools of AI. Symbolism is also called logicism or psychologism or computerism. Here are the name of symbolism: logicism, psychologism, and computerism. Symbolism believes that AI is built upon mathematical logic. Followers of these schools of thought believe that symbols are the cognitive primitives of human, and the human cognition process is based on inferring and calculating a variety of symbols. In their opinion, both human and computers use a physical symbol system, so computers can be used to simulate the intelligence behaviors of human. These are the one major schools of AI, that's symbolism, and a lot of different names. For example, this apple in the age of symbolism, this is Apple, original Apple, it has a source, it has a structure, it has a category. A structure, what is the shape, size, color, its sources, Apple tree, its categories, Apple. Okay. The next one, connectionism, the second major schools of AI. Connectionism is also called physiologism or bionicism. Connectionism believes that AI originates from bionics, particularly the research on human brain models. The primitives of human thinking are neurons rather than symbolic process. Researchers in these schools of thought began by looking at neurons and their neural network model and brain models. This has successfully opened another path for artificial intelligence. This is the meanings of connectionism. One major schools of thought or major schools of AI as connectionism. The third one is behaviorism or cybernetism or evolutionism. Behaviorism is also called evolutionism or cybernetism. Behaviorism believes that AI originates from cybernetics. In this schools of thought, intelligence depends on perception and action. It depends on the environment and knowledge representation and inference are not evolved. AI can evolve like human intelligence. Intelligence behavior can only be manifested through interaction with surrounding environment in the real world. Yeah, here is environment, and it's a model of AI, and this model is learned from this reward induction or it's from environment. This model learns from environment. Okay, it is a behaviorism schools of AI. It's the definition. Now we see all the schools of thoughts of AI, and that three schools of thoughts are coexist in these three elements of AI development. Every school of thought, every machine learning engineer, every machine learning or AI engineer, or every AI scientist exist or use this. It's the basics of or the elements of AI. Three elements of AI for, development, independent of school of thought. Look, independent of school of thought, AI research needs three key elements. One is computing power. This is the first one. Computing power. It's the engines of AI and the driving force behind AI system. It's a computing or that includes data center, distributed computing, cloud computing, edge computing, and high performance computing. The second one is data. It is the second one is data. It's the powerhouse of AI and the fuel for AI systems. Uh, these are data mining, data analysis, data warehouse, data visualization, data security, and privacy protection. The third one is algorithms. Algorithms are the brains of AI and the command center of AI systems. Are the basics of these algorithms are machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and recommendation system. These are the theory and the basics of AI development. AI industry in ecosystem. As I have said earlier, AI applications are finance, health, security, entertainment, education, retail, and agriculture, etc. Have a lot of application. Technical directions. What are the technical directions of AI? The computer vision. It's a technical direction, one technical direction. Speech processing, the second technical direction. That is natural language processing. This is the third one. Decision making system. It's another technical directions of AI. As a, and the fifth one is big data analytics. These are one another of technical directions of AI. What are the basic elements of AI? The basic elements are data, algorithm, and computing power. These are the basic developments of AI. These are the basics of AI. What are the basic technologies of AI? Big data and cloud computing. These are the basic technology of artificial intelligence. And it's infrastructure, internet, sensor, Internet of Things or IoT. These are infrastructures of big data. And the infrastructures of cloud computing, servers, high performance chip or high performance computing. These are the AI industry ecosystem. These are the architecture. There are two types of AI. One is strong AI, and the second one is weak AI. A strong AI theory is that it is possible to create intelligent machine capable of solving, problem solving, and that such machines will be self-aware. It's the basic of a strong AI, self-aware. They will be able to think independently and develop the best solution to a problem. In addition, such machines will have their own values and worldviews, as well as the instincts of living things, such as the needs for survival and safety. This is a strong AI. In essence, the machine with human thought can be regarded as a new civilization. This is a strong AI. What's weak AI? Weak AI theory holds that it is possible to create intelligence and machine capable of reasoning and problem solving. It's impossible, okay? It's impossible to create an intelligent machine capable of reasoning and problem solving. It cannot. It cannot to create. So machines only look intelligent but does not have human intelligence or self-aware. Does not human intelligence or self-aware, but strong AI can do this. These are the types of AI, and their definitions are like this. Today's lesson looks like, and I will release the second part. Thank you for your listening.